Hey guys, let's unbox this portable speaker from made by Hisense. 300 watts daw siya. So basically ano siya, pang karaoke, may free two microphones, may wireless charger. Kasi may internal battery siya, 15 hours. May DJ effects, control sa top panel, IP64 lang. May karaoke mode, then lighting effects, pwede ka mag-disco. Built-in internal battery, 15 hours. Car charge, ano kang ibig sabihin yan? May guitar input din siya. So around 11 to 12K. So 300 watts. Let's unbox. Let's go. The speaker. Oh, careful, slippery. Ooh. What's inside?
Nothing.
Yan lang. No cables. Then, user manual, I think. 4 batteries for the wireless mic. And, AC cord, power cord. 2 wireless microphone. There's no auxiliary cable. There is no auxiliary cable. You need to buy it. Oh, Hisense. So let's fire it up. Hopefully, may battery. Let's turn it on without plugging to the AC outlet. Yo, yay! Nag-hello na. Uy!
Nindot tayo.
Cool ba siya start up?
Nindot siya tingin.
Pila ka kilo na? Wow, 300 watts. Pairing. So, by default, I think naka-bluetooth siya. Oh, DJ oh. DJ light. Oh, lala. Kabidyoki kita ano eh.
Naka-sale good. 50% na siya eh.
Na itong volume.
300 plus.
Can you connect your phone? Connect mo ng phone. Let's try how it sounds like.
Sa TV.
How heavy the bass will be.
Bluetooth.
So, Bluetooth. I-try muna namin i-connect sa TV. Let's see how it goes. Pairing.
Most people are not as scared as you. Guys, you have no idea how much these things.
Connected na siya sa YouTube and TV.
Like proper roller coaster.
So, i-try natin sa music. Let's try. Connected siya sa TV. Try natin music. Yung mataas ang baho. Loh. You know you're everything. Ala. Sadag tingog oh. Let's adjust the bass, the bass. Yes, look. Bass on. Performance is not bad. Okay lang siya pang house, pang 4x7 na area. Yang mic di kayo gaano kalakasan. 300 watts. 300 watts siya, pero I think not a real power. But more than enough sa 4x5 or 4x5 meters na rope. So it has equalizer, preset adjustments for audio balance. Microphone is not that loud, not so good. But in terms of the voice output clarity, it's nice, not very nice but nice.